I'm Kip with Excellent Floors, and we're putting in a Boen Actiflex sports floor. So here, let me show you how we're going to do it. You put the corner in there, and then you wedge it out here, and then we tap it. The seam close. You get at the very end, and it clips in, and then you re-tap that. Okay, all right. Let me go down here and show you how we start it. So we got to put this little block right here, because this is what it looks like on the back. Okay, so we're just gonna put this thing right up there. And that's how we do an Actiflex, Boen Actiflex sports floor.